saka wala pang tumutupo. Ilang taon na siya ngayon? 5. Okay. Nauga na pala.
Umaga na? Umaga?
Pati po yung harap, taas.
Hindi pa. Kasi ang eruption nito, maaga nga eh, dapat 6 siya eh.
Mas maaga po si ate, action ko.
Ito kasi, maalis na matagal pala na, matakas na ito, umuga-umuga na. Hintayin na lang natin. Pag lumabas itong dalawa dito, ito naman nauuga.
Hindi na po bubunutin.
Si ate ba kung saan natanggal?
Meron po kaming isang pinabunot after noon.
Kami lang.
na lang po ang nagbubunot.
Kasi ito, kasi minsan yung ganito, nare-remember nila yung ano. Kaya kung minsan ayaw nang bumalik. Pero kasi ito, sa nakikita ko dito, okay na. Bakit nakasot? Ganito ba?
Opo.
Okay. Yung sabi kasi naman, pag ganito kasi, yun lang nakalabas na yun na umuuga. Nalulusaw na yun nasa ilalim. Nagkakaroon na tayo ng creative sorption. Kaya pag pinunot, ano lang, ito naman dito, ito lang siya. Ano to?
Ano po niyan, birthmark?
Ah,
Lumalaki.
Lumalaki, ano, ayan o. Gusto niyo pa ba ang anak?
Are you okay? We'll have it removed. We will have injection.
Yeah, you're strong, boy.
Ah, right?
Oh, siguro.
Right? Like ate?
It's
Ate
okay.
have
You may cry, it's okay. It's okay.
Right?
No, it's okay.
Alright.
Kasi yung sabi pag ganyan, kusala lang din kasi. Kaya,
Hindi niyo
option.
Nap-
Pwede ko minsan,
Napanood naman niya yung ate niya dati, alam niya yung ano, so. Oh, kaya hindi naman siya tumatakbo eh.
Taga saan ka?
At taga-Tacloban po. Marcos.
Tapos po, may time na naglako siya dito sa bagang naman. Masakit daw. Hindi ko alam. After naman nun, wala na.
Nalagyan ako na po.
Umarte lang.
Meron pain yan.
Because maybe Marcos would have to this.
Excited naman po siya magbubulot eh.
Sana mo. Sana nga.
Kailangan po ba hawakan siya? Hindi na. Ah.
Lalaki. Okay na.
Yan po diyang side na yan. Diyan siya nagreklamo dati.
Ito, nag-i-erap kasi yung first color niya. Ano ka?
Ay, nag-erap na po.
Dapat 6 years na. Maaga nga. Kasi pareho eh. Kailan siya magsi-6?
February pa po.
Aga, ano? Ito, eruption mo.
Ay, oo nga po. Parang nakita ko mga minsan.
Ito, meron na siya first permanent na to ha. Alagaan na to.
Meron na po ba?
Ayun, o.
Baka hindi naman mahilig sa switch to eh.
Ayun, o. First
Ayun,
permanent
po,
na to
ano.
ha. Ito, wala pa. Pero magana yung gums. Ito, naikat na niya yung gums niya. Pero hindi pa siya totally naka-eruption.
Opo, may puti pa lang po.
Kasi usually, pag nasa ilalim siya, di ba? Kinakat niya yung gums natin para siya lumabas.
So, baka kaya po nasakit noon.
Marcos, don't swallow, ha?
Kasi ate yung taga-bunot din ng ngipin ko.
Si Percy ba? Favorite kong pasyente yun.
Si Kuya, ratio ko po, ano?
Si Kuyang pasama. Saan kayo nag-stay?
Doon po kila tatay. Napagawa na po namin ng bahay si tatay sa Hongo.
Saan doon? Sa harapan ng eskwelahan?
Opo.
Ah, si tatay mo naman doon.
Opo. Pero ano naman po sila, ano? Noong isang compound na mga kapatid niya.
Bakit?
Minty.
It's minty. It's not spicy, it's minty.
Yes.
See, isipin niya, spicy ulit.
Spicy yan.
It's okay.
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Like candy. Right?
Oh, just follow what
The
the
doctor.
doctor says, okay?
Okay. Right?
You're strong boy.
Now it's Michael's turn.
I-cleaning ba siya mamaya?
Pwede pa po ba yan?
Hindi naman.
Hindi na.
Hindi, so far naman, sa nakikita ko, okay naman.
Okay naman.
Ayos naman siya.
Parang umuga na po yung taas.
Kasi eto, pag lumabas itong dalawa na to,
Susunod na po talaga yun.
alternate tayo. Lower niya dito, di ba? Nauna na yung molar niya dito. Sa taas naman sa susunod.
Mm.
Kaya lang maaga. So, kaya na tinatawag na 6 years molar.
Maaga na po yata na yung mga bata. Kasi po kahit ito mas maaga pa po ito wala pang 5.
Kung may calcium, ha?
Wala pang 5 tumubo yung ngipin mo.
Pareho natin silang suportahan dahil pareho talaga nilang ginalingan.
Tapos siguro to, no?
Ano, apelido yan?
Sana. Di ba namin na-testing ito kasi matapang to eh.
Pero ito, pag ganun lang sakit.
Apelido mo.
Hindi. Ganun lang, ganun lang. Ganyan, sakit ba? Hindi naman, di ba?
Akala mo
Ha?
kaya?
Is it Auchi? No.
Yes.
Anong kilo mo dito? Parang hindi siya parang mamamaga. Okay.
Is it ouchie?
Is it Auchi?
Jared, Isabel.
Nag-iisip siya. Kaya ang tamang word doon. Sa likod kasi tumuto.
Marcos, time to be brave. It's okay, baby.
So, turot lang. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes now. It's okay, Marcos, okay? Don't move your mouth. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Don't move. It's okay. It's okay, Marcos. It's okay. It's okay, Marcos. It's okay. Oh, you're so strong. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Good. You're doing good, baby. You're doing good.
Good.
You're doing good, baby. Tumawa. It's okay. It's okay, Marcos. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Marcos. Oh, very strong. Oh, that's it. There's no pain anymore, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Good job, boy. Tapang, oh.
Gargle.
Oh, gargle, baby. Gargle.
Gargle.
Mahirap pa na malaki nila pa.
Gargle. Go to the water. It's okay. Good job naman. Hindi nag-cry, oh. Oh, gargle. Gargle.
Wow.
Oh, good job. Good job, baby. It's okay.
Okay.
Oh, tapang pala eh.
Tapos siya.
Tahan lumabas. Oh, good job.
Ano
Back.
pakiramdam?
I still remove my teeth.
Yeah, not yet. Yeah, not yet. Still there. It's okay. But you will not feel it anymore.
Okay.
Good job. Good job.
Ganyan ko, anong pakiramdam? Ganyan, anong pakiramdam?
Oh. Do you feel? No?
Feel anything?
No? Oh, good job. It's okay. Good job, Marcos.
Tama pala si Kuya.
Oh. Alam mo kasi matapang talaga si ate eh. Matapang din pala si Marcos.
Hindi ka makapil.
Si ate kasi umiyak talaga nun eh.
Oo, mas
Masakit kasi.
matapang ito si Kuya.
Naluha lang ha. Okay. We will remove the teeth na. Okay?
Ano pakiramdam dito? Ba't nakitulala?
Wala lang.
Ano pakiramdam?
Ouchie ba?
Ouchie? No?
What do you feel?
Okay. It's okay.
No!
It's okay.
Mabigat lang, mabigat lang.
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Mabigat lang siya. Wala na, no
It's
more.
okay. Oh.
Oh!
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay, Marcos. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay, baby.
Okay.
It's okay. Oh. It's okay. It's okay, Marcos. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, sige na, it's okay, baby. One more. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, you can cry. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Hawakan mo siya. Hawakan mo.
Masakit ba?
Is it ouchie? It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, we will do one more na lang. One more. It's okay. It's okay. One more. Your tongue, baby. Don't move your tongue. It's okay. Don't move your tongue. Don't move your tongue, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Marco. It's okay. You're doing good, baby. You're doing good. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Masakit. Humog.
Bumog. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
One more. Bumog pa, baby.
Ako, ma'am.
Nararamdaman niya kasi pag-click.
Haba na huminga.
Pag-
Yun yung
Saka yung pressure kasi, yung pressure.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hindi yung mismong sakit naman po ng pag-bonat yun.
It's okay. One more.
Naman, tingin.
And we will give it to the tooth fairy, right?
Oh, wow.
Tooth fairy.
Namamaga to, namamaga. Para siya lumaki.
It's big? You feel big?
This one. Ito. Para siyang getting bigger. Ha?
You feel it's getting bigger, baby? This one? You feel getting bigger? Okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay, baby.
Ayun na pala yung sa ilalim.
Ha?
Opo.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Sige na. It's okay.
Okay.
Open your mouth lang. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby.
Ito ba masakit? Ito? Ito? Okay na.
Open, baby.
Okay na. Ito ba?
Andali lang, baby.
Pag ginaganyan ko ba masakit? Ha? Ito, pag ginaganyan ko masakit? Ito? Okay.
It's okay, Marcos. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Marcos. Come here. Remove now. Finish na. Finish na, baby. It's okay. Finish na.
Okay, bye.
Halika.
Bye.
Teka, come here. Hawakan mo lang yung kamay. Finish na. It's okay. It's okay.
Kita mo, hindi ko hinahawakan siya sabi niya.
Masakit.
Kaya
It's okay, baby. Mamog? Mamog mo na. It's okay. It's okay, baby.
Okay, bye.
Oh, bye. Don't swallow, ha?
Okay.
It's okay.
Bye na mo.
Smile na. Finish na. Okay na.
Tsaka
Okay.
paano siya doon sa ano, kasi pakiramdam na lang naman ang
It's okay, baby.
Oh, na.
Ay, don't swallow, ha, Marcos? Don't swallow.
something sa loob ng bibig.
Okay. We will eat ice cream later. Marcos. Oh. Marcos, look at me. Okay?
Bye mo naman.